Good morning, children. Hope you are all safe at home. Now, let us start our chemistry online class. So, today we are going to see the first chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics in chemistry. What do you mean by the synthetic fibers? The fibers made by human beings in laboratory by using chemicals are called synthetic or artificial or man-made fibers. Okay, usually fibers can be converted into yarns is nothing but long thread, and then into fabrics, then into cloths. So these synthetic fibers are made by human beings. This is not natural. What are natural fibers? Which we are getting from plants and animals like cotton, wool. Such things are natural fibers. So this synthetic are also called as artificial or man-made fibers. Usually the synthetic fiber, it is made of a small units that is joined together. What is the smaller unit called? It is called as monomer. Here one garland is given, this necklace is given here as an example. Like a necklace, a single unit which can be converted into a larger units by combining together. Like that, the single small units called monomer that can be converted into a polymer. Here this poly means many and mer means units. Okay, one unit, this monomer continuously repeated to form a polymer. Okay. The next is types of synthetic fibers. So in this types we will see rayon, nylon, polyester and then acrylic. First thing is rayon. Rayon is actually like silk. We know silk is very costly, but its beautiful texture is fascinating everyone. So in order to make an attempt like silk as an artificial one, they have created this rayon, which is a man-made one. Though it is a man-made, it is usually obtained from natural fibers only. So this fiber are having so many things which is similar to the silk. So such fiber was obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. Since it is extracted from natural fiber, so we call this as a semi-synthetic. It is not completely synthetic. Synthetic means it is artificial. So we call this as a semi-synthetic. So although rayon is obtained from a natural source wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber, and the only difference between the silk and rayon is it is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fibers. Okay, silk is very costly and rayon is very cheap. And it can also be dyed in wide variety of colors. So it is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. So many applications, so many uses are there for this rayon. And the next one is the nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material from plants or animals. So the preparation process was done with the help of coal, water and then air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Rayon is a semi-synthetic. This nylon is a fully synthetic fiber. So this nylon fiber, it is strong, elastic and light. It was lustrous. What do you mean by lustrous? Shining and easy to wash. So it became very popular for making clothes. So for so many things we are using this nylon nowadays, such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat, belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. In so many things we are applying this nylon fiber. So the characteristics of nylon, usually it is strong, elastic and light, that we know already, and it become very popular for making cloth. So we are using it for so many purpose like car seats, belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. And this nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. So only they are using for rock climbing and all. Okay. The next one is polyester and acrylic, that we will see in the next video. Thank you, children.